a charcuterie board. Hey, girls. Hey, give him another one. Daddy, give him another one. Caddy, give him another one. Give him another one.
Does he get another one? Is that fair?
Yes. He touched it. He touched it. He touched it. Start over. He touched it. Start over. What they're doing is they have to blow out the candle. Whoever blows out the most candles wins. The team that doesn't has to take the shot. I see it. Do it for terrible twos. Let's go. Let's go. You got this.
One, blow.
Yeah. So close.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go.
Hey y'all, it is time to go to my holiday party.